Yes. So write down angle of inclination. Angle of inclination of a line. Angle of inclination of a line. See, one straight line is given. So that straight line is representing x-axis at some point A. So this is this is the theta. So this is our line. The angle made by the angle made by a line. The angle made by a line with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. The angle made by a line with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is called an angle of inclination. An angle of inclination. See, actually here, अभी हमारे पास लाइन है. This line is making anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction मतलब एक clockwise direction होता है. Anti-clockwise direction means what? Reverse of the clock direction. So, if this straight line is making angle theta in anti-clockwise direction with x-axis, so this theta is known as angle of inclination. So, whenever theta is angle of inclination, the slope is also given. See, the slope of line is m equal to tangent. Slope of line is m equal to tangent. M equal to tangent. So write down some important note also. First one, slope of x-axis is m equal to 0. The slope of y-axis is what? M equal to infinity. How we will get this one? M equal to tan theta. Slope of x-axis matlab x-axis is making itself the angle. Itself the angle will be 0. So m equal to tan 0. So tan 0 is 0. Therefore the slope of x-axis is 0. Similarly, slope of y-axis means line is y-axis. So this y-axis is making angle pi by 2. So here 90 degrees will be there. So y-axis will make angle 90 degrees with x-axis. Therefore, m equal to tan 90. Tan 90 is what? Infinity. So therefore, slope of y-axis should be what? Infinity. So one more important thing is slope of line segment. Slope of line segment. Joining. Slope of line segment joining A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So do you know all this formula? Do you know all this formula? Yes. So note down these concepts. Those who came late for the class also. Board is looking blur. Yeah, no problem. Just once again, once leave the meeting and join. For remaining students, board is clear. Okay. So note down. So important things are what? Angle of inclination is important. Angle of inclination is the angle made by the straight line in anti-clockwise direction with x-axis. So when theta is the angle of inclination, its tan theta is the slope. So that is m equal to tan theta we can take. So then next slope of x-axis you have to remember all this. So have you received the material? How many of you received the material? How many of you received the material? Material came, I told you already. Respond, respond. Anyone received the material of your entire 11th, 12th material that is? No? No one received the material? So today you can take material. You have to pay. You have to pay 4,000 rupees for 11th and 12th material completely. This is completely 11th and 12th material. Yeah, and no need of buying any other books. Only this material is more than enough. Okay, understanding everyone? Yeah, respond everyone fast. Yes. Material I am telling, Jyotiraditya, material I am telling. So material you have to take for 2 years at a time and no need of buying any other books. So very good material that is 4,000 you have to pay and you have to take. If you prepare that, that is more than enough up to CET, JE means advanced everything it will covers. Okay? Angle between two lines. Right. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. See, in coordinate system, x-axis is given and y-axis is given. So one straight line is given like this, another straight line is like this. So this is making angle theta 1. This is straight L1 and this is line L2 and this is making angle theta 2. So here we are given theta. This theta we have to find out. Now, if you observe this, so angle made by L1 is theta 1, therefore its slope is M1. Yes. See, for line L1, angle is theta 1, slope is what? M1. That is tan theta 1. For line L2, for line L2, angle is theta 2, slope of the line is M2, that is our tan theta. So now, if theta is angle between, if theta is, if theta is the angle between L1 and L2, then tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So this is the formula. If theta is the angle between L1 and L2, then tan theta will be modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1. Just see, suppose if theta equal to 0, suppose if theta is 0, theta 0 means what? Tan theta is 0. Theta 0 means tan theta is 0. So when tan theta 0, here 0 substitute here. So this 0 equal to cross product, what will get? M1 equal to M2. So implies M1 minus M2 should be equal to 0. So therefore, M1 equal to M2. Because why? This term is 0, doing cross multiplication. So this will come 0 because tan theta is 0. So modulus of M1 minus M2 means M1 minus M2 should be equal to 0. So therefore M1 equal to M2. Second case is, suppose if theta equal to 90 degrees, theta is 5 degrees, that is 90 degrees. Tan theta is what? Sin 90 by cos 90, matlab 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is the substitute here. 1 by 0 equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1. क्या मिलेगा? 0 into 0 into m1 minus m2 is 0. 1 plus m1 m2 into 1 is 1 plus m1. So 1 plus m1 into m2 equal to what? 0. Therefore, m1 into m2 should be minus. So whenever theta is 0, theta 0 means the two lines are like this. They are parallel. When theta 90 means they are perpendicular. So if two lines are parallel, then their respective slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their respective slopes should be minus. Okay? Understood? Understood? Not a concept. So note down everyone. So note down everyone. Done, completed. Next period will be EQ sir will take. Next period. Only one period I am taking. So much of coffee is coming. Right, problem I can write. Problems. Find the angle between the lines. Between the lines. Lines. Joining the points. Joining the points. 0, 0, 2, 3, and 2, minus 2, 3, 4. 2, minus 2, 3, 4. See, first we have to find out the slopes. A point is 0, 0. B point is 2, 3. So, what is the slope M1? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So, Y2 minus Y1. Y2 is what? 3. 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 2 minus 0. So, it should be 3 by 2. It should be 3 by 2. Next, C is 2, minus 2. And B is given as 3, 2. So, what is the slope here? Same one. Y2 minus I1 by X2 minus X1. So 5 minus of minus 2. So 5 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. How much this is? 7 by 1, that is 7. So then tan theta we have to find out. Tan theta is modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So modulus of m1 is what? 3 by 2 minus 7 by 1 plus 3 by 2 into 7. So क्या मिलेगा? 2 is LCM, 3 minus 14 by 2. Here also 2 is LCM. So 2 plus 21. So divided by 2 cut. Therefore tan theta equal to what? 3 minus 4. Modulus of 3 minus 14 means modulus of minus 11, but it should be plus only 11 by 20. So when we are removing tan, we have to write this side tan inverse of 11 by 20. In inverse trigonometry, I can explain this in detail. Any function, suppose if sin theta is given as x, then what is theta? Sin inverse of x. If tan theta is given as some x, then what is theta? Tan inverse of x. Like this you can write. Remember this. So answer is tan inverse of 11 by 23. Find whether the points find whether the points minus a comma minus b, minus a comma minus b, minus of s plus 1 into a, minus of s plus 1 into a. And t minus a into a, t minus 1 into a, t minus 1 into a, t minus 1 into a. Collinear. So collinear means a b c, slope of a b, slope of b c. So a b c, slope of a b, slope of b c. If slopes are same, then the points are collinear. So just find out the slopes, you'll get the answer. What is the slope of first 2 points? Anyone got it? What is the slope of first 2 points? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Anyone got it? Anyone got slope of first 2 points? Why this much of time you are taking simple problem? Respond fast. Not coming. Phi b by phi a. So therefore b by a. Phi nahi, yes. See, a is minus a comma minus b. B point is what? Minus SA minus A minus SB minus B. And C point is what? TA minus C and TB minus B. First, slope of A. Slope of AB is what, M1? Minus SB minus B minus of plus B. Divided minus SA minus A plus A. So plus A minus A minus SB by minus SA. So minus S minus cut divided. Next, slope of BC. Slope of BC M2 क्या मिलेगा? TB minus B minus this plus SB plus B divided TA minus A minus this plus SA plus A. So minus B plus B minus A plus A. TB SB. So B comma T plus S into A. Here also A common. T plus S into A. So T plus S, T plus S. Right? So slope of AB, slope of BC are equal. So either they are parallel, lines parallel. So four lines given parallel, but they are coordinate points. So A comma B comma C are coordinate. Okay. Next one. The angle between two lines is pi by 4. The angle between two lines is pi by 4, and the slope of one of them is 1 by 2. Slope of one of them is 1 by 2. One by 2. Find the slope of other one. Find the slope of other line. So you can use the directly tan theta formula. So question number 3, directly you can take tan theta formula and proceed. See, third problem I'm solving. Theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. Therefore, tan theta equal to 1. So now, slope of one line is m1 is given 1 by 2. So we have to find out m2. So what is the formula? Tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So tan theta is 1. m1 is given as 1 by 2 minus m2 we have to find out 1 plus 1 by 2 into m2. So this is, if you take 2 LCM, 2 will get cancelled in numerator and denominator. So ऊपर क्या मिलेगा? Modulus of 1 minus 2 m2 by 2 plus m2. So the most important thing is, when we remove the modulus, we are going to get the plus or minus. So 1 minus 2 m2 by 2 plus m2 is equal to plus 1, and 1 minus 2 m2 by 2 plus m2 is equal to minus 2. So doing cross multiplication, 1 minus 2 m2, 2 plus m2. So minus m2 bringing this side, minus 3 m2 equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore m2 equal to minus 1. Here 1 minus 2 m2 is equal to minus 2 minus m2. So bringing this side, 3 equal to m2. So therefore m2 equal to. So therefore solutions are what? Minus 1 by 3 as well as are the slopes of the remaining line. Okay, understood? So note down next question, fourth problem. Fourth problem is what? First you have to find out the slope of AB. So parallel line means slope is same. Perpendicular means product of slope is minus 1. So do that question, fourth problem, everyone. Yeah. So fourth problem you can do and tell me what is the slope of AB? What is the slope of AB? No response. 3 by 2. Therefore, parallel line should be 3 by 2. Perpendicular should be what? Minus 1 by 3 by 2. Because if two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is minus 1. Therefore, m2 is minus 1 by m1. M2 is minus 1 by m1. Correct? Therefore, what will be the answer? So here answer is 3 by 2. Here answer is 3 by 2. And here answer is what? Minus 2 by 3. Because m1 into m2 is what? Minus 1. Correct? Got it everyone? Everyone got it? 2 by 3? Ah, yes.